every second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the...
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, like, comments, all that good stuff, y'all. This is gonna be a maintenance vlog. I'm actually rushing right now, but I'm tired of doing clusters, y'all, and doing my own lashes. So I'm gonna go get them done, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Okay, I did my brows just a little bit. I didn't do too much to them. Just want to look presentable. You guys can see my dog. She's eating her bone. I'm gonna put her away in her kennel and put my shoes on, and let's go.
I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance.
Okay guys, I just got my lashes done. Ooh, that sunlight, that makes my eyes look so cute. But I just got my lashes done. They're really cute. I was gonna get my nails done, but I'm just gonna go get some food and go home. I'll get my nails done on a different day, maybe tomorrow morning, and I'll take you guys along with me. Bye guys. Hi guys, so my mom and I are on our way to get facials. This is a maintenance vlog, Mom. Let's go get our facials.
Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach you.
I'm so glowy. That facial was so good. I'm a glazed donut, and my mom looks like a completely different color.
Just got it done.
That was so nice.
That Atari, nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And don't you what you want. Oh, I think justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Hey y'all, so I'm about to get my eyebrows microbladed. That's why I have no makeup on my brows. I'll show you guys the aftermath. It should last about 2.5 to 3 hours. I don't know if I can film in there, so I'll just show you guys the aftermath. I'm so excited. As you can see, I got my nails, I got my toes, I got my lashes. So I hope you guys are enjoying this maintenance vlog. Bye guys. Okay y'all, so I'm in the car. I'm all done. These are my brows. I love them. She gave me strokes because the front is my problem area. So the aftercare instructions she gave me, I have to clean them 2 to 3 times a day with Cetaphil and then put Aquaphor on them. And then I have to come back to her in 8 weeks for a touch-up. She said that I eventually probably won't even see the strokes because it's all gonna lighten. But I literally love them, y'all, and I don't have to fill in my brows anymore that much. So I'm really happy. I love my lashes. I love my nails. Yeah, y'all, this is my maintenance vlog. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm gonna go. I have to drive an hour to get home. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. And I love y'all. And I'm gonna do my hair as well. I'm just gonna straighten it for Valentine's Day. I won't show you guys that, but I hope you guys enjoyed the maintenance vlog. Bye, guys.